my name is Allison Harper. I am the membership coordinator for Sarkeys Fitness Center, and today we're coming at you with some easy stretching techniques. We'll be doing a short series on stretching. Today's just going to be an introduction. For those of you that have never stretched before, go ahead and stand up. What we're going to do is warm up the body a little bit. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart. We're going to begin stretching with some big dynamic movements. Taking your hands over the head, warming up the body. This is just to get your blood moving. Ideally, you would go on a short walk, maybe 5 minutes. You can go down to the driveway and back or take a lap around the building. Even just standing up, using the restroom and coming back. You don't want to start stretching on an extremely cold body. With dynamic movements, we're getting the muscles moving a little bit more. Not pulling on any of the muscles so much. You can also bend in a big plie, stretch your hands over your head. And again, small plie, stretch your hands up. This feels great, especially if you've been sitting at your desk all day. Another thing about stretching is whenever you go in to hold a static movement, make sure that you're only holding until you feel a little bit of discomfort. At no point during your stretch should you feel actual pain. So we're going to start with some major muscle groups. Right here with the one I was just showing. I'm bringing my arm straight across the body, holding it very gently just right above the elbow. And I'm getting a great stretch all through my shoulder and into my back there. If you want to deepen the stretch, you can pull it a little bit tighter. You can also drop your ear over to one shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, don't hold your breath. Just like with regular exercise, you want to focus on your breathing. Release, take that same arm over to the other direction. Personally, I like it a little bit deeper, so I'm going to drop my head over just to feel a little bit more of a stretch up there in the neck. Inhale, exhale, don't forget to breathe, and relax. Another one that I really love to do, roll those shoulders back so that you've got good posture. Drop your head down to your chest and then come back up. With this, you're not tucking your chin into your throat. You're extending it down towards your breastbone and come back up again. I also really like to leave my shoulders relaxed. Take one ear almost like you're stretching it towards your shoulder. Again, at no time should this feel uncomfortable. Just go until you feel a slight pull and hold it still. Raise your head up and drop that other ear to the other shoulder. Another common mistake I see with stretching is people bouncing a muscle. Make sure that you have control of it at all times. Leave it static, meaning you hold it very still, and then you just come right back up to center. Since we're working on those shoulders and those necks, next what I want you to do is interlock your fingers, push them out just right towards me, round out your upper back, and then drop your head so that you're looking at the floor. Imagine your ears are in line with your elbows. Inhale, exhale, and on that exhale, open up those palms so that they're facing up towards the sky. Point your thumbs back towards your back. And lift your chin slightly so that you get a nice stretch all through the chest there. Don't forget to breathe. Let's do that one more time. Interlock those fingers, push them away from your body. Round out the upper back and drop your head so you're looking at the floor. Inhale, exhale, release your hands, raise those palms towards the ceiling, look up, stretching the chest, and release back down. We've hit a lot of the big muscles in the shoulders, the neck and the back here. Very quickly, we're going to focus on some of the big muscles of the lower body. First one being a hamstring stretch. I have a bar here you can hold on to if you want. You You can hold on to a chair or a wall. What I like to do is have a slight bend in my stationary leg, the one that's holding me onto the ground, extending a heel forward, and very easily I'm just gonna sit back into the leg that's down, taking my hands and putting them up on the quad. Notice you're not pushing on the knee here. Make sure you're holding onto your quad. The extended foot, the toe is up towards the ceiling, and I feel a great stretch all from the calf, behind my knee, and up into those hamstrings. Depending on how tight you are, you might feel this in your rear end and your back too. Again, I'm not bouncing the stretch, holding it nice and easy. Inhale, exhale, and come up. We're gonna do the same thing the other direction. Bending the leg slightly, the one that's holding you down. Hands on the quad. Other leg, foot is extended with the toe towards the ceiling. Sit back slightly until you feel that slight pull of a stretch. Don't worry about how deep you get into. Everybody has different levels of flexibility. Inhale, exhale, and come up. Very good. As a cool down, plie, stretch towards the ceiling, coming back down, stretch, inhale, exhale, stretch it up, and back down. Roll those shoulders up towards the ears and back. Give yourselves a big round of applause. All you did today was get that blood moving. As we go through the next several series, we're going to focus on different muscle groups. We're going to do a lot more of in-depth stretching for some of those smaller muscles that you don't get every day. And we're going to really work on improving your flexibility and blood flow. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.